3 of them, 4 of them, 5 of them, 6 of them, 7 of them, send you out. Operation Energy. Hey. Thank you.
Yeah, man. Oh, I'm there. Big shot up here. Anyway, crowd, this is them boy that you play. No one people see them a beg on a open. Rolling up on a gunplay. Boy, I know a big sound stage. I'm not trying to stage.
Hey, breathe king. You don't see a bumble clap, bulletproof king. King Salamai, so you just like hunting. You bulletproof, then what bulletproof king? Bulletproof, yes, Nick, for example. What's happening now? So that's what I'm doing. King Salamai, you're just like a bumble.
Alexander, last time I got fired, now you go fire up the shirt.
Bad people, bad one vice, one vice. Pussy never hide from them, you know what you done, they don't follow ya. We don't know what you're doing, you know where you're from, you know. Chop up on the street, chop on the sea, yeah. Look on the beat, that's on me, you know. Chop on the key, that's on your beat. I'm shut up, watch out. Who said the money has no on the street? Last week, then that's the week. Watch twice, got the mouth for the kind of speak. You get a house for the sheep, yo. Ring down, step down. You know that press down. You need to clear the shot, you press down. You know like that, you know the public. Ring down, set up, set up, hot man, stand up. Alright, pay to a real killer. Alright, pay to a real killer. Alright, pay to a real killer. Real killer, real killer. Pepper, scotchy and a sweet pepper. Make it go bleed like rhythm from a big beggar. Somebody a big helper to reveal better. Interceptor, tell them. Who don't take that together, if I'm not that ready and I'm here for the call. You think the ass you here for the call. Scream them full on the face of the call. Drive out them and I'm face of the call. Right from one person, face of the call. There's so much woman, face of the call. See the pussy never been a roll. Bad man, stand up. Alright, this is a real killer. Alright, this is a real killer. Alright, this is a real killer. Real killer. Look out, son boy. Somebody wrong. Look out, son guys. Somebody wrong.
Somebody run away. Can't live
TV. Interceptor. Not too young to be a sound. Be a sound. Home to your nana. Your nana. Home to your nana.
Because I know Interceptor, never break sound, right down in town. Sound boy, don't you try to test me, try to test you, I'm gonna get knocked down. I wanna know Interceptor sound. I'm getting anybody on. Because I can't show you Interceptor sound. Sometimes I wonder why someone don't try. Wanna test Interceptor. I didn't know that when them try, that them die. Here comes another, but the traffic is me. I can kill them so easy. I then send them to the cemetery. I will get your sound. I can take your body down. Interceptor see, it just really matters too much to eat. Yes, Interceptor a murderer. Tired we tell them Interceptor the killing sound.
Now we don't fear them. We are gonna disappear them. I'm tell them this again. I Interceptor. Sure. So many years long in the man, Interceptor keep killing sound, killing sound, killing sound, killing sound. Yeah, yeah. I Interceptor. Wow. Some boy are real. They don't go on the battlefield. Alright then, sure. Now watch up on the face, cause the whole of them are here. As the one tell them blast at them face. Now see the listen to them for the car. Now go from them back. So we not just a shot at the car. Now watch up on the face, cause the whole of them are here. A long time them blast them face. Now see the listen to them dirty car. Now go from them back. Interceptor a kill. Listen. Interceptor. Boy, son. Ever hear that? Licking with flicking. Interceptor sound. Killing them all. Now the dark room. Interceptor. Big hound down. I saw that.
My sound is the answer, let it be.
This one is actually blessed. Interceptor sound is out in the west. Cracking up the casement. Squeaky, chatting down. Tulani and St. John's crew. Respect is due. This is Glen Washington running keys, man. Stand back.
Interceptor sound is playing good music for me. Don't put love with me. Now my secret's rise and shine. Interceptor sound is moving. Playing good music for me. Now my secret's don't make you wait and see. Interceptor sound crazy forever. So the world can see. All the time being sunshine. All the world is free. No, I think you should obey me that
You can hold it, Simon boy.
Whoa.
but it's over. Can't go pulling a heat. Put on the thing you are born with. Interceptor come to keep you happy.
Check. Yo. Hold up this. Yo. Exclusive sound anniversary. Interceptor sound from the July. I represent. All who support that God right now, put your left hand like you turn on your light up in back. We're gonna be a reefer, God a reefer, watch out.
Interceptors and play.
Very nice.
Interceptors and sweet over that song.
Renegade sound there. Like firebird, you don't snipe on the shoulder. Yes, a little more. Just so we don't know you. A little more, can I tell you this?
Come and dance and have fun like the mountain. Just say that you see them.
Well, say that again, Ocean. There's people from Grassland. No, that's great. Who see it here? Every goddess, one of your lights and exclusive anniversary. Every goddess, one of your violence. He won't tell my bill and come back to life. Every day. We won't come up, shine and come back to life. For your home to be. All I got to do is pray to set the sound. If it's right to dance, we throw you down. Sweet boys, you don't tell them. The Bible says that you should know the now look what they've done. Sanchez, see you next time on the anniversary. Why not? Then get beat up and down. Alpachino, big up yourself, Mr. Lamar. Sanchez, one more time. No break,
Interceptor sound. The champion.
KRAZY, exclusive sound anniversary. Let me tell you something, it's a later on when the dance get warm. It's a later on.
Some say, but I'm sorry for a sound boy. Sorry for them. Pray for a sound. Pray for them. Sorry for a sound boy. Sorry for them. But I'm champion sound boy.
All who say good over evil, God do over devil. All goodness.
Them should have done. Watch out. Shadow wire, remember that you talk is with the top. It must come from your heart now. We never see you sing and sing and sing.
There are some people, hold their man and hold their woman, collect money from them. All who say hold their man and collect the money from you, go now.
I said I never cherish no love. I know I'm always killing your mind.
When you see that pretty something, roll out in that street, almost a sniper, almost a firebird. Some people always are asked.
Them want to who I am and where I'm from. Oh, no, they are not to be.
15 minutes up.
They can't come in lion.
They'll pay the one.
Don't show anybody.
Keep it on what?
Them want who I am and where I'm from. Oh, no, they are not to be.
this then. Let me go stand there. It's the 219 exclusive anniversary.
Interceptor. Just keep them take time over the line. Cut me down. Cut down in this style of it. They never want customer who have broken lions. They have broken lions. Keep it again. Now we don't fear them. We make them disappear them. Ah! Interceptor exclusive anniversary. Keep them down. Like we're left to shield. Keep them and make the sound. And by the field. Where's love? Can't hear them all. Keep them and make the sound. And by the field. Level! Style police all like them and one day. They don't want nobody tell me over to like crowd. They can't tell me no more. Alright, keep them from the building, man. They're not gonna move their man. Oh, if you don't think it, man. They're never get a sense of sorry, man. They're never get hungry. If you don't think it, man. They're not gonna move their man. Oh, you see, the man. The exclusive anniversary, 6 seconds. Maybe not bad. But it's a favorite man. Say no, baby, the fucking man. See, that's it. Not a brush run. You are good. Man, we not bad. Say it. And then the favorite
See, that's why when I'm playing like that, Castle people, they are big up bringing to Papa Saga. And it was the Saga first. So big up bringing Papa Saga. You know which Saga is that? Interceptor sound. You want to dance it? Tell it that. Exclusive anniversary. All content fans must have load that over your head. All the red vibes content must have load that over your head. You want to cross it?
I don't give a shit about someone that's supposed to go for my punani. They're saying about it. I was there. You have this right now.
All who get it for yourself, go down here.
On the night, up is the way that be like. Let's see to the feeling.
Early 15 people. That's what time I'm full up here. You know what song exclusive anniversary? It's not that far out of business. Pass on God. Yeah, you hear me?
Anyways, Interceptor sound. Now the father probably not just feeling. Yeah? It thanks and praise to the Most High every time, man. All of this Interceptor. Now cup of tea. Read up and kick. One of them kids. Oh,
every dance on patience, so take one to the lights and all one. Bring yourself in a 15 now.
whoa, whoa.
Yeah! Over here! Go on! Every time we have 15 now. We are so select and so sound on past same place. When you see big sound strong. Any boy!
Forever, Interceptor breaks for you. Forever, we will kill you. Forever, we'll always be. And every note that you play, Interceptor comes down. You never give the sound. We'll always be. Interceptor don't fail.
That's why we kill them. Yo, President, I know. That's why Interceptor blow them you can't this way. We are champion of the. You don't want to play an escape with that. I don't worry about song you are playing. Listen to the listen.
Some of us are your charm, burn down side of man come around. Them men want the meaning and they don't want tomorrow. Charm, burn down side of. Wait, so we want you must sing them.
This is also.
Listen, just the beginning of them suffer. Some boy that don't hear side of man come around. I sing. Just the beginning of
Also, them bad man TikTok your folks. Let me tell you about them.
none of them sound you no feel. Them Interceptor go on the battlefield. I'm gonna put them up and have some blood glass seal. Set my boss out and the boss them where them feel. We can say them a bro and we can say them a kneel. Them come and sound flash like a cat them a squeal. Party boy down.
They go inside people in them.
I just say they get on them.
All the respect they go inside, my boy. Don't go down that light on them. Yeah, some boys say them body. Tell them. We're going now. We prepare every song. Everybody play go inside. They have to play the Gaza. Stop that bastard.
Some boys they know this. When we got this 16,
Let's see what background sing. What's this song anniversary? No matter how much song it is, so when I play, I never tell you so them bad. Remember? Check it out. People, that's a crazy that anniversary of mommy. All the things one side stage and people never know. They never record that party. But we can't tell you an exclusive anniversary tonight.
Yo, Interceptor,
Tonight.
powerful. Them say the love clock return. Walk down on the pussy on the Glock firm.
Why for your girl? Work, father, regular day, the mother. Son.
All you really want is one. Don't let them hear that.
My bird. Tell him to come up in place. The dark in them set that dark in first. Jump in line and fast. You know how we can. It's not said I'm not even. Chop up the shoe there. We just be cool. Why? What's in your head? What you know? Funny.
All who can defend yourself for your family, the whole of crossing and glory and those on that. All who can defend yourself for your all crazy that I be a chatty boy.
Interceptor, Papa Pizza, got money, Palo, and see that much money, I got that move with the speed, I got Interceptor, some boy, I got run and live in the wheel, I got
All who want to feel what I'm going to push you to one area. All who want to feel what I'm going to do one area. on the street, we can't dance. We can't dance. I'm no shit. Let me show you a song we are sung, but don't play each other. What's up? Some boy shut up their mouth. Here, dog, I'm gonna tell you something. You come like two people in the cartoon. Let me tell you something. You, crazy dog, big up yourself exclusive and then jump to your player's show. You understand? Let me tell you, people from KRAZY, people from Lodersville, people from St. Catherine, from Livingston, from Kingston, only here nobody that can them thinking so they bring down here. I'm major dog, let me tell you something. Listen to this.
Interceptor sound, man. Watch your one call from the Asia stadium. Don't worry, just come here from the bench. Yeah, man. Muffin. Yes. See ya. We're gonna stand here. Nobody's calling your name. Someone is doing an interceptor. But I must have found the right thing.
I just saw you dancing for me, my mommy, you are here. You get rickytrooper, Trooper. I'm sure you're a legend, I don't want to do that something there or to the police and there. But Trooper, I'm going to tell you something. You don't want to select that there, don't you? Shut up your mouth. You don't pay us, I'm going to tell you something, Trooper. Oh, crazy that I come on blood clean exclusive anniversary and go on like them a big song. Somebody named DAWG. Listen to me. A DAWG in here. Some of them know woman named DAWG but try to dig up himself and go on and say, nah, no money in the world. A human being on the world. Pussy, let me tell you this. Hey. Some boy not like that show ya. Just show ya, don't see ya, them when we find.
You say any soul don't like that song, yeah?
The man next was Classy, Loadersfield, St. Catherine, Kingston. The man that got the man that said, rise up, rise up. Don't know if them machine too far. We are ready with the kitchen, ready with the man. Some sound and more like a 100 dumpling sound. One good shot kill people, let us tell you this. I wonder what it take to make some song like Mama heard and Jack down. You can't deceive yourself. I'm too bad when I give a bad man. He ain't power that carry down, hear it. Claps on one another. Claps on one another. Don't want carry down. We are bad people that carry down. We are not claps on one another. Pussy, you see what claps in that clap clean on the pussy. We're not Jamaica, New York. We're not England.
Alright, here we go. The police must say, cut off some of the bass line and ease off some of the microphone they come in. See, they don't disrespect nobody, you know. See, we are doing the rules then. They don't want to say a name and shit up, you understand? So, Cypher just come down and try the bass line. Look, ease off like that phone for a big thing. You just want to juggle the song till the 15, don't can't get it over.
1 minute. 1 minute.
1 minute. Alright, good. Alright? So here we go. Sniper is having it. Sniper. I want you to stick out the signal and just squeeze the trigger right now. Yeah, man? So anyone going on? Exclusive sound anniversary. Alright, here we go. Because you are Gaza song to play around here yet, you know. So Gaza song we're playing. They are saying you're ready. And I juggling segment are ready. So it's right now, people. Who want to jump one song when it's not a Gaza? You understand the girl in there, you know. So the big of the woman in that place. True. Hey,
Exclusive to the band. Hey boy. You ever feel like I'm a shot out of one cent? You know the exclusive and the president make one promote a bicycle bargain. Make a song and left them carry.
All those say Trooper pay the one I can't tell them 2 and a year. Trooper say the pay I can't tell you. Trooper!
Exclusive bad man. Five glass of the bad man. They feel it when we see them and hear the bad man.
Trooper send him forward for $1,000. Whatever a woman came, $1,000 come give him and tell him say more tea game no. $1,000. Trooper, you see your boy. You see your boy. You see your boy. I'm going hard this game. Give a come talk about me not get no forward. You know, since let me know my from night, you and the man over there talk about police. Everybody knows me, a bad man select me already. Nobody play. Why?
We're dressed up with the people, but I just don't come this much.
I think I don't war me. All of us on the Trooper. Level. Now in the area, because the boy about Butcher must see a boyfriend. All man for name Butcher, you know you got Butcher man already.
You know what Bush man tell the trooper?
Father Chris, you know the thing, brother man, when you learn my kid.
Trooper!
You see? So I'm going to go dead like that, you might shine my thing. One like said that they did your bus. Should have seen a bus. When you are in bus from people. Slide it down with the dollars. Exclusive sound all off with people.
Show them! All who say something don't do it like you. They play some bad man song.
Dear me, no Chris, no Gary,
Mr. Trooper!
no Squidly. Anywhere we go, we have been a kind of big baby. Bossy let's anytime in the land.
You ready again, Michelle? Batman selector, show them. You're the shooter. How would you fire up with? Trooper, how are you up with?
Let me tell you who in the top bodies. Your pussy, I'm in the top bodies.
Who are you up with?
In the top bodies.
Right, that's a cop!
Go with the ladies so good. So we say,
Where Crazy Dog? Where is the Crazy Dog? Crazy Dog, I think the war done. The war just started. Don't run in the war.
It's a Christmas. You don't think gonna be in them.
Don't run in the war.
And that's a channel. Not violent. They don't kill the man. Not one no. Even exclusive sound. So tell them can't cry free. Exclusive sound full of them. Show up on them like coming on. No for them say them a
You can't wear this up for 1 2 10, bro. A bad sound me play.
Fret, the boy are fret.
Butcher, relax yourself. All who want some say some. Some.
exclusive. Man, not the man things. Exclusive, man.
Never talk about gun. You don't know about CLARENDOM gun then. Hey boy.
A big guns. A that exclusive fire.
What?
Master man with them fire. They put them in crossfire. A big guns.
All of them man we can't defend themselves. Come down now here. Rickytrooper. When we go back the gun, guess what? Rickytrooper, guess what? What? Tell them about some more.
Sometimes I'm watching the station there. Let's start first.
I love this one.
If I know who they run down this, I try all them those cool and Chris. Exclusive, the feel sound.
People, all who want your massacre for 2 and 9. Who can make 2 and 9? What they want to hear? What they want to hear?
I'm from the border of the start. Hey, what's with that? Started on the man like the water. Roberto Carlos are bad. Just sex so big down with the hard. How I skip put that tougher than hard.
Everybody trying to carry that don't say I'm bad man son. And no boy can this year then. What is that song?
Exclusive sound, dog. 15s. Yo, Chris, we not feel bad up, we so them know so we bad already.
What?
Them know we head mad already. Some boy lifestyle already. My job, when the M1 draw the exclusive, the boy you feel it.
All who want your more massacre, put up your gun down here. Put up your gun down here. Tell me what's up.
Sound, now them a blood clot out. Kill them. No exclusive. All the break for them, all the blood. One day man the riches are your target up. Yeah, the target up. See my family, pass me out for bro. Paper chase, need them fast.
2% full of cartel, so I'm in a cartel too. Me not a vice cartel too. Vice cartel.
I can't find them come buckler exclusive. Exclusive, choke them in on them eye. Fuck them in with a canal. Them have a die. Crowd on them top of the sky. Marfly. Up them with the flame, them so high. Chris and Vasco and Cartel, no shy guy, me not the lie. Got them say them on the holy fight. Let's get high. Driving in the 320, I be not to lie. I'm not here for you.
Rickytrooper, what do you come and dance and go like selector can't kill? Selector can't kick you in your face. Rickytrooper, what you feel like? Come here, open. What you feel like? Me think we can make a like 2 face. I'm working 2 face. Bring me a gun. You look like 2 face. What the fuck is that? It's smoking. You see a fly now. I'm a bullet through festival. Tell me what I tell you.
Exclusive of it run. Don't be a cat and walk it up party.
Trooper running up people. Let me talk to you, media. Trooper running up people. Trooper the big wicked trooper lock off him soul up people. All him can walk and do and tell people about them mother. She want me a crazy dog for one. Send out the crazy dog then no.
People,
Interceptor in there too.
everybody they are friend. So I don't want nobody to go on like so I want to pay more than nobody. At 10 minutes right across the board. Crazy dog, we don't make sure it's not turn down when I sound to you. Because the police them say if we don't turn up the sound too loud and the talk of one too loud, then go lock off you. So you're going to just play it on a level and do another.
Hello. Hello. Hey. People. You know how far I talk low. Turn down my voice. You know how far we drive from to come here. Everybody you know how far we'll be there. If you don't know, put in your GPS. Far we drive from coming. Clarendom with them. Look at either to play sound when I come from town. Mobile drive. Go first one, you never know mobile. If you don't put in GPS, I can't find mobile boy. What? Big idiot boy. What up? All who say we kill him and Interceptor in the morning, say kill them. We don't want to hear some we kill them, say kill them. ALPACHINO, kill them.
Anyone this is good about this talk of presenting Crazy Dog sound. I know it's a big of a
What for your birds in the Crazy Dog? Listen.
Firebird from Interceptor. They say nobody don't know Crazy Dog. They sure right. Because y'all them know about you. Them a post up on TikTok and Twitter. Hear me on. Y'all them say them run the place.
Let's get them boy. I who say we kill them, say kill them.
You know what y'all them say?
Kill them.
Firebird. So keep pussy, man. Keep pussy go soon.
Hear me on.
Keep joking till it come and it's so keep till it. It's okay.
ALPACHINO. Let me say, the talking now, bro. So you shoot 5 songs. I will just don't say. No, man, we don't want to violate the boss. I promote the stuff, you know. So, you know, if I promote as a rule, you can't go on the team. But shoot 5 bad songs, ALPACHINO. 5 bad songs. If I have 5 Gaza, line up a Gaza then. See, I'm a vexed on that. Yeah, no one them get saved by police. I don't say I be the face boy called police or why so. Him on Interceptor.
Crazy Dog son. You know they're the man fully forced to carry it, filling in 19. Not boy on the island. You know, so on a regular Turn to the toes, you don't cry. We never bless the river, so we not shut down the kind. And this Crazy Dog, so you be shivering in the shade. We got the make a Crazy Dog, so big it up. I think that you would take it.
I'm very ends out. Why you want juvenile of the money you call you? Cause you don't have to pick up Benz and your son in a hardy. You never for one, for the blood can body. One of them are gonna be letting them in a pass for. They never got it, so forget you when you're not hardy. Are you with the street with a rock and party? Come blast over someone full of shortly get the money load. When I go like party and the love, she has selling on the fuck and dance me. And you know I'm coming up dark to me.
blocking. 34.99 KT, you're blocking. Alberton, let go Interceptor sound. Interceptor, forward out.
What's the frequency? You don't know, say there's a matrix representing for the big bad sound from Galactic of the crazy dog. I don't know, say that one an exclusive, because an exclusive anniversary. I mean, I say big up the whole of Clarendon, big up the whole of Crafty, and big up to all the sound system there, because I don't know, so we have to keep sound system culture alive. Yo, Hyperton, Bojo, Headache, Badsteel, Enzo, and Book of the Bass. Young play the real fast. Here the graphic Clarendon. What's the frequency? You know it's an exclusive anniversary. So yeah.
You look more for entertainment purpose, but listen up.
Let's take off the big up and selector and soul man want to be a video. Some of them make me rich. Let me see the video. Look, at the table look me up. I'm a playful, exclusive sound. How me be ungrateful. Remember say, some of the time we don't get no gear play. People are crazy dog from Monkey, we don't get no gear play. And no radio station, no loan possess the powers. Keep crazy dog, the flowers. Let me big up rickytrooper from Trooper Sound. One of the bodies selector from Notch on down. Big up Interceptor, the renegade sound. Everybody love them in them own town. Silver international sound, them are no clown. Big respect to the street fight sound. Big up Love Star and Night Star sound. Crazy dogs, big up King Vader sound. ALPACHINO music, you know a big sound. Big up Crazy dog from Mobile. Mobile the way, he make me rich and more. You see the name, look, and the table don't make up. I'm a playful, who come and crazy dog. We know I'm grateful. Remember say, some of the time, we don't get no ear play. If I don't crazy, I don't crazy.
Yo, we are cool for this little bit. But also, crazy now. Before we cool for this little bit, they got play this.
I guess the pussy them never heard. I guess the pussy them never heard. I intercept the sound, this with style, one firebird. Oh yeah! But that general attack, grab the play with the bell, I'm talking to the live, I'm talking to that. On the bumper. Oh yeah! This is it! From on the way, go to go. Intercept the ball, that's right. No watch out now. We are gonna kill who they are. And murder who run. Every pussy clap sound, I go get from them. So I lose with them escape. No pussy clap sound, I go play right here. So we did this time, they might get it first. Go look, cause don't reach them run. Even though them did book, I put in crazy dog, but the dog look shook. Cause they come for curry goat and the promoter never cook.
No, that's still.
Yeah, and them flows that this is comics representing for Interceptor sound. That's the father, Krabby don't say a word, that's the fire reason the whole world again. Sniper, fire, Nick, that's the firebird. Now the words, ease up. Chronics representing Interceptor sound. Well, yeah. Chronics say that, alright, Interceptor come. Chronics get put down. Interceptor smooth the guns. Well, if I war, Interceptor playing, we gonna lock off some sound this morning. Jump on sound, you get a meeting, and we say every sound boy shall burn. I was there when your sound came. Interceptor murder them in the lane. Interceptor from Chilani town. Let them know set Robbie no mess around. Interceptor step in at the flash and start a fire. Start a fire. Interceptor step in at the war and start a fire.
Puya when them see me with the fire. Puya when they kill it from fire. Puya Interceptor with the fire. Let them puya. Again, pull up inside the school and it's gone. In the kingdom to the chest now.
People they have a ton on the soul and turn off the mic. How do you do that?
So we don't give a fuck where you come from. In the state of it, we can't come back. We go back to the land and go back to the land. And we are the core of the whole of the island. That's what I know. We come from. I go keep all of them. I don't give me a sound so you feel like I'm one again. I'll be the one who got a friend and want to see me die. But I'm living in the world.
can feel riches. Me tell them, them I got next, them never flex, them see the success. Them see the shirt, them see the buns, see the gun press. Them try you, but them try gun, one gun next. We just said that, tell them next. Me I say, oh yeah, fire in the section of the soul. You like it, yeah, Rasta, said that, we go wrestling. That's the word that jump out in that center. Yeah, I'm just saying, why you been here? Why you been fear me? I'm just so anywhere. Just you been watching in the air, and been here in the center. We tell you what a Rasta, soundclash,
Yes, indeed, Madison and Ricky's and what you think is me, I say crazy now. So, man, I spoke of me, I say Woodrow, I say Alpachino, I say Bad Stain. Everybody in a real life, so I say Enzo, them know it going, I say, Clano! Kick it off like a ball one time, and the done time, they know it going, man, I say crazy now. So, everybody in the ball. Crazy. Alpachino, done?